Yeah. This one for my mama, my father. I see you, I really see you now. We didn't have the finest things, no silver spoons at home, but you made a way somehow, gave us strength to carry on. I remember school days, worn shoes on my feet, but your love was so rich, made me feel complete. Late nights, no sleep, you were working overtime. Sacrifice your dreams just to make sure we shine. Back then I didn't see it, I was young and blind. Now I see you struggle, yeah, it's heavy on my mind. Oh, now I understand the pain behind your smile. Every sacrifice you made for me as a child. I'm proud to be your child, I say it loud. Through every storm you held me down, and when I rise I'll make you proud. These are my parents, I say it loud. If God bless my hustle, I promise you I'll build the dreams that you couldn't do. Fill every gap, make your life brand new. I'm proud, so proud to belong to you. You fed us from your hunger, gave your last to me. Even when the cupboard looked so empty, you wore your pain like it was nothing at all, just to make sure we would never fall. I see the lines forming on your face, every single one tells a story of grace. If I could turn back time, I would ease your load, but I'll repay that love on this road. All the tears you hid, all the silent prayers, now I carry them. You held me down, and when I rise I'll make you proud. These are my parents, I say it loud. If God bless my hustle, I promise you I'll build the dreams that you couldn't do. Fill every gap, make your life brand new. I'm proud, so proud to belong to you, to belong to you. One day I'll give you everything you missed. All the love, all the life, all the gifts. No more stress, no more sleepless nights. I'll be your peace, I'll be your light. You won't have to worry anymore. I'll open every single door. Now it's my turn to stand for you, the way you always taught me to. Mama, Daddy, I'm your seed, your legacy, and I'll carry your name with pride. I'm proud to be your child, I say it loud.